Here we are on 13th Ave and about 10th Street, and I guess from the major windstorm we had yesterday, this tree got torn right out of the ground and smashed onto the house. I have it all police taped off. You can see it was a very alive tree. It just tore it right out of the ground, like it wasn't even there. The whole sod and everything lifted up in one big piece. It's hard to see what kind of damage is up there. It can't be good when a tree is lying on top of your home. Looks unreal. Wow. Never seen winds like that before.